Hey, here's a challenge. Can you break 15,625 down into its building block? That means the prime number that multiply to give 15,625. So stick around as we are peel back the layers of 15,625 using the magic of prime factorization, and it is easier than it looks and way more satisfying. So first, what is prime factorization? So it means expressing a number as a product of its prime factors. So those indivisibles numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. So in other words, we are finding out what prime numbers multiply together to give us 15,625. So as we can see, it's an odd number and ends with 5. So it is divisible by 5. We can check the sum as well to check it's divisible by 3 or not. So 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, and 14 plus 5 is 19, and 19 cannot be divisible by 3. So we have to start with 5. So 15,625 divisible by 5 gives 3,125. So it also ends with 5. So divided by 5 gives 625. Continue dividing by 5. Again. Now. And the next. So prime factorization of 15,625 is 5 power 6. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any maths question or puzzle, you can comment down. Thank you so much for watching this video.